Hi, I'm Dan Nicol from Dan Really Likes Wine, and I'm celebrating Sauvignon Blanc at Pick n Pay, celebrating a wine that is such a summer staple in South Africa. Braai, Chisanyama, picnic under blue skies, and you'll find many South Africans with a cold, crisp glass or bottle of Sauvignon Blanc. But there's so much more to it than just being a wonderful summer thirst quencher. And some Sauvignon Blanc, this being a great example, so much more complexity, so much more layered, so much more to explore. This is a wine called the Metis. It comes from Klein, Constantia in the Constantia Valley, which is home to some beautiful, beautiful Sauvignon Blanc. And here it's not just South African, but French as well. Pascal Jolivet putting his know-how to South African terroir and the Klein Constantia history of making great Sauvignon Blanc and coming up with a wine that really stands out. It's got the French and the South African on the label. It's a work of art, that iris and the proteus showing the two cultures, the two winemaking approaches coming together, and the bottle itself a work of art as well. So over the course of this summer, look out for some of the fabulous Sauvignon Blanc that you can find at Pick n Pay, a wine that can do so much with food or just be enjoyed on its own. And in buying this, you're buying one of the 25 million bottles of wine that Pick n Pay is committed to getting onto shelves across the country in support of our South African wine producers in 2021. So the Klein Constantia, the Metis, one of many terrific bottles of Sauvignon Blanc. Go out, explore, discover. You won't be disappointed. To join the Pick n Pay Wine Club, simply SMS your smart shopper number to 36775. It's absolutely free, and you'll get for yourself 3 times the smart shopper points on every bottle of wine bought. You'll also get a 20% discount on 10 different wines each month, a 25% discount on a case of wine, and a Magnum, some terrific competitions and invitations to awesome events.